What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the A Ma Maniére collab with Nike on the Air Jordan 1 High in the Sail and Burgundy Crush colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out the join button because we have some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So today is our 4th day counting down towards Christmas. So I brought out my Baby Yoda advent calendar. So we're actually just gonna, open up day 4. It says Galaxy's Greetings. Let's test it out, huh? Not bad. So we'll go through our days of Christmas. As I chew this. I love a good milk chocolate bar, I'm not gonna lie. That is so good. Love a good advent calendar. All right, shall we? On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me off-white Prestos, 2 Sakai Causer blazers, 3 Air Max 90 off-whites, and an A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 1 in Burgundy and Sail. All right, so we are going to be talking about the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 1 Burgundy Crush and Sail colorway. So as you know, this is the second collab that A Ma Maniére has done this year. Hard, tough act to follow with the Jordan 3s, but they have done it on one of the most popular silhouettes, the Air Jordan 1, to kind of end off the year, which I think is a nice exclamation point. So we're going to go through the overview of this, talk about size and fit, followed by how I style this. I think this is an amazing color for the fall winter, so I had a lot of fun styling this. And then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it, go through this overview. I keep looking at this shoe in the light and it's tripping me out actually because it's really cool how crackled the effect looks in the light. It really gives this very metallic feel. So you can see here, it is a very crackled leather material on the toe box. It's actually quite rough. And it really just hits the light quite nicely and gives it this kind of sparkly holiday feel to it. As we work our way up to the laces, I styled this with the Burgundy Crush color scheme. I think it goes quite nicely, but if you're not feeling that burgundy colorway and you want to keep it a little bit more monochromatic, they do have an additional pair of sail colored laces. One of the parts that I love so much about this shoe is the nice detailing here. You can see that they have some nice silver tips on there. As far as the dual branding goes, you see that there's the A Ma Maniére down there, as well as the Nike Air accented quite nicely in that Burgundy Crush colorway. The tongue has that crackled effect as well in that nice kind of metallic-y, shiny color scheme, giving off almost a silvery effect more than a sail effect, depending on where you are in the light. Then we have that quilted effect for the collar, which we have seen on the A Ma Maniére 3, this time in that Burgundy Crush colorway. Let's take a look at those details, then move on to the side panels. right, so moving on to the side panels, I love this kind of reptilian effect that James Whitner gave to the styling for this lovely swoosh. It really just kind of pops. It's got that darker shade of burgundy and a lighter tone, which I think really just pops quite nicely off of that crackled sail color scheme. Working our way to the back of this shoe, we've still got that reptilian effect, and it is on the back of that collar. We've got the Air Jordan wings and the burgundy crush, and then just more accents underneath that in the reptile theme. As we work our way to the bottom of the midsole, it has this really cool aged effect. It's kind of like this was actually dyed a light kind of pinkish hue. It doesn't, to me, look like a normal age color scheme where it's more yellow. This one definitely has some more pink hues to it. And then the shoe is then completed with that burgundy crush outsole. The insole does have the A Ma Maniére branding inside in the burgundy colorway. One of the things I did see for quality control actually in here is a glue stain. And luckily it wasn't on the outside of my shoe, but it is pretty prominent on the inside here. You can see how I don't even know honestly how I'm gonna get that off, but was a little frustrated when I did unbox this and I saw that. But there is that nice little glue stain, so hopefully I'll be able to get it off. Now let's just take a look at this box. This is a very similar box to the threes that we saw previously, this time in that burgundy crush colorway. I do love that kind of translucent feel that James Whitner decided to go with this. He has just really done an impeccable job this year with really just creating these amazing storylines that just go and complement quite nicely with the shoes he's collaborated on with Nike. And we also have this hang tag. So this also has that kind of crackled effect as that sail tone does on the shoe. So if you're wanting to rock this tag, I think that this is a nice addition, and it is embroidered for that A Ma Maniére logo. All right, let's take a look at those final details and then move on to sizing. So as far as sizing goes for these shoes, I am a men's 7.5 or a woman's size 9. I would say for Air Jordan 1 highs, I typically stick true to size. I do feel like I do have a little extra space in that toe box region, and I do tend to wear thicker socks. So depending on what type of foot you are, if you do have high arch narrow feet like myself, this would be the perfect fit for you to just stay true to size. But if you do have a wider flat feet, this could differentiate a size that maybe works best for you. All right, let's jump into styling. So much fun styling these shoes. I think this is just an impeccable colorway for the fall and winter time. As far as the first look goes, I decided to bring some patterns into the mix. So I wanted to wear some plaid pants that kind of have some nice neutral tones in there. I think that these shoes you can have a lot of fun with just because it does kind of have that reptilian print. I don't think that you need to stay with just a solid color scheme. I did pair that and layer it with a burgundy turtleneck, and then on top of that I had a tan colored button-down shirt, and on top of that I layered it with a olive khaki puffer coat. I do think that those colors just kind of melded really well and still made this kind of a statement piece out of that look. second look, I wanted to dress it up a little bit, so I decided to wear a bodycon ribbed dress in a maroon color scheme, and then I layered that with a Nike puffer coat in that burgundy colorway, which I think just gave it this monochromatic look, and it really highlighted the accents of that burgundy crush in the shoe. The last and final look, will just remind everybody that on Monday I will be going live with Foot Locker on Facebook. This is Foot Locker's first time ever actually going live with Facebook, so super ecstatic to be talking about Melody Asani's new collection coming out, and I styled the last look with a few pieces from her new and upcoming collection. This piece that I decided to go with, or the pieces I decided to go with, were all in that burgundy maroon hue. So I have the sweatpants with the matching sweatshirt, and then I layered that with that jacket that's a nice windbreaker, and I feel like it just gave this look another level of color and vibrancy. So I feel like it just really brought the shoes together and really brought those burgundy crush accents to life. So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these?
Shall I come around to ease you down? Do you wanna keep my head so deep in the ground? What's the matter, baby? Why you make me crazy? Oh, I'm turning around, wanna get out of it, but my feet in the mud. My emotions are so high, but my heart's on the ground. What's the matter with me? I am going crazy to the beat of the sound, the beat of the sound. I don't understand why you're keeping it low. If you keep at it, I'm letting you go. Some love is all I wanted to show.
To RSVP for that event that will take place on Facebook at 7 p.m. I hope to see you all there. All right, now let's jump into the resale on these shoes. So these retailed at $200 and they are currently going between $375 to $460. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much, everybody, for tuning in. If you were new here, hit that subscribe. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to hit that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our amazing merch store. And also, tune in to the Melody Asani collection with myself and Foot Locker on Facebook. We'll be going live at 7 p.m. on Monday. All right, until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.
And put those presents beneath the tree, 'cause baby, it's that time of